guys, here is our next video of chapter 8, the noun case. So there are many cases in the noun, in the chapter noun. So we'll see here. See the sentences that I have wrote. John threw a stone. So in the sentence 1, the noun John is the subject. The noun John is the subject. It is the answer to the question who threw the stone. If I'll ask who threw the stone, if I'll ask who, answer will be John. So John is the main noun here. ठीक है, तो the group of words threw a stone is the predicate. The group of words threw a stone means these are the, this much is the predicate. ठीक है, so the predicate contains the verb threw. What did John throw a stone? What did he throw? A stone. ठीक है, stone is the object who is John threw. The noun stone is therefore called object. So here this is subject and here this is object. So in sentence 2, the noun horse is the subject. Who kicked? The horse kicked. ठीक है, who? The horse. Whom? The boy. So when a noun is used as the subject of a verb, it is said to be the nominative case. So these two are called as nominative case. They are in nominative case. And when a noun is or a pronoun is used as the object of a verb, they are used as the object of the verb. It is said to be in the objective case. So here it is in the objective case. तो ये हो गए हमारे टू टाइप्स केसेस, नोमिनेटिव केस एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. सो easy method to remember this is to find the nominative, put who or what. ठीक है, who or what, then you will get before the verb. Okay, then you will get the nominative case. To find the accusative, and objective case is otherwise known as accusative case too. Accusative case. So to find the accusative, put whom or what. ठीक है, whom or what, then you will get the answer. So this is known as objective or accusative. Now see the sentences that I wrote. Rama gave a ball. ठीक है, Rama gave Hari a ball. ठीक है, यहाँ ball हो गया हमारा object of verb gave. ठीक है, gave का ये object हो गया ball, इधर भी gave का object हो गया ball. ठीक है, in the second sentence we are told that Hari was the person to whom Rama gave a ball. In the first sentence, see, in the first sentence it is written that Rama gave a ball. ठीक है, and in the second it's written that Rama gave Hari a ball. The noun Hari is called the indirect object of the verb. The noun Hari is known as the indirect object of the verb gave. ठीक है, Hari is the indirect object. To whom? To Hari. और ball हो गया हमारा direct object. This is direct because this is ordinary noun. ठीक है, sorry, ordinary object. So ये हो गया हमारा direct object. This is type. जैसे कि Rama gave Hari a ball. Rama gave a ball to Hari. So here Hari is indirect object. If I'll say, will you do me a favor? Will you do a favor to me? So here me is the indirect object. ठीक है, तो we see that the indirect object of a verb denotes the person to whom something is given or for whom something is done. ठीक है, for whom something is given or for whom something is done, so that will be the indirect object of the verb, ठीक है। अब आते हैं सेकेंड केस को, which is possessive case, ठीक है। if I say this is Rama's umbrella, this is Rama's umbrella, ठीक है। और if I say a mother's love, a mother's love, ठीक है। तो here if I'll ask whose, so answer will be Rama's. Here also if I'll say whose, if I'll ask whose, answer will be mother's, ठीक है। तो ये दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आ गए हमारे पोजेसिव केस, ठीक है। द पोजेसिव केस डजेंट ऑलवेज डिनोट पोजेसन, इट इज़ यूज टू डिनोट ऑथरशिप और ऑरिजिन, काइंड एटसेट्रा। जैसे कि आई से अ मदर्स लव दैट आई रोट, ठीक है, द प्रेसिडेंट्स स्पीच, मिस्टर अग्रवाल्स हाउस, अशोक्स स्कूल, ठीक है। तो ये हो गया सब पॉजिटिव केसेस। पॉजिटिव केसेस का डिफरेंट फॉर्मेशंस होते हैं, यूजेस होते हैं, यूजेस ऑफ पॉजिटिव केस। I'll upload the note for this in the description box. Just download it and read it and note it down. You'll get to know how to form possessive case and what are the uses of possessive cases. Now next we'll see nouns in apposition. Nouns in apposition, not opposition, this is apposition, ठीक है। ये हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? If I say Rama, our captain made 50 runs. Rama, our captain made 50 runs. When you see that Rama and our captain are one and the same person, the noun captain follows the noun Rama simply to explain which Rama is referred to, ठीक है। The noun captain follows the noun Rama simply to explain which Rama we are talking about, ठीक है। So when the noun follows another to describe it, the noun which follows is said to be apposition to the noun which comes before it. जैसे कि apposition means placing near, ठीक है। तो so here हमारा here Rama is the nominative case हो गया, ठीक है। तो in this sentence the noun captain is in opposition to the noun Rama, ठीक है, and is in nomination case because Rama is in nominative case, so this is also in nominative case, ठीक है। Some examples I am giving more examples like Kabir, the great reformer, was a weaver. Yesterday I meet your uncle the doctor, ठीक है। ये सब आ गए हमारे opposition case, ठीक है। So this is the end of the noun case. So these are the cases for the noun, and I'll upload the for the possessive case in the description box, and this is it. Thank you guys.